Hello everyone, welcome to this session. Today I will discuss the short question answers of chapter 10, that is transportation in animals and plants. So first question number 1, that is what is translocation? The food that is made by the leaves is transported to the different parts of a plant in the form of a solution, and this process is called translocation, and it is done by a special type of vascular tissue that is called phloem. Now the next question number 2, explain the meaning of transpiration. Transpiration, that is the loss of water from a plant in the form of the water vapor, and actually this happens from the small pores that is present on the lower surface of the leaves. Water is absorbed by roots from the soil and transported as a liquid to the leaves via xylem, that is a type of vascular tissue. In the leaves, small pores that is called stomata allow water to escape as a vapor. Now the next question number 3. What is blood plasma? Plasma, that is the liquid part of the blood. It is pale yellowish in color. The blood plasma is made up of water, salt, fats, proteins and sugar. And among all these substances, water that is present in large amount, almost 90%. 55% of the blood volume, that is blood plasma, and in rest 45% the blood cells are present. The plasma facilitates the transportation of the different substances throughout the body. That means it is the medium of the transportation in the blood. Now the next question number 4. What is the function of the red blood cells? Actually, every blood cells has its important function. So red blood cells that contains a protein called hemoglobin, and which absorbs oxygen and transport it to the cells all over the body. So the main function of red blood cells is to carry oxygen and transport throughout the body. Now the next question number 5. What is excretion and why it is important? And the answer is the excretion, that is the process of the removal of the waste from the human body. This process is called excretion, and the different metabolic process generate waste inside the human body, and the accumulation of the waste becomes toxic. That means it becomes poisonous. So it is important to remove the waste material, otherwise it may becomes poisonous. Now the next question number 6. Why is the color of the blood red? And the color of the blood that is red due to the presence of the red pigment inside the blood called hemoglobin. That means it gives a red color to the blood. Now the next question number 7, that is what is meant by the artificial kidney and why is it used for? Dialysis machines are also known as artificial kidney, and it is used to remove the waste and extra chemicals and fluid from the blood. Actually, those person which having the kidney failure, the dialysis machine is mainly used to remove the waste from the blood. Now the next question, that is question number 8. That means what is the difference between osmosis and diffusion? So let's see the answer. Osmosis, it involves the movement of the solvent molecules, and diffusion, it involves the movement of the solute molecules. Molecules move from the lower concentration of the solute to higher concentration of the solute. And in diffusion, molecule moves from higher concentration of solute to lower concentration. It occurs only across a semi-permeable membrane. It does not require semi-permeable membrane. Example, the shrinkage of the potato slice when kept in concentrated sucrose solution. And the example of diffusion, that is a spreading of ink when a drop of it is put in a glass of water. So these are the basic differences between both.